CLYDE Premium Sneaker Cleaner. Does it work? Let's find out. What is up fam? It's your boy Gabe and welcome back to another video. So today may dumating na package and I would like to thank the CLYDE team for sending this care package over, and I'm gonna keep it short and simple. Hindi ko pa siya nabubuksan. Let's dive right into it. Let's see kung ano yung pinadala nila. Let's go! Alright, so let's look into the items na pinadala ng CLYDE. So first is their main product. So shoe cleaner and conditioner. This is with jojoba oil. This is their natural shoe cleaning solution and ito yung pinaka main product nila, and for this video, ito yung gagamitin ko para ipakita sa inyo kung nag-work nga ang CLYDE o hindi. It comes in this package or cleaning kit, so it keeps your items organized. Hindi siya sabog-sabog sa gym bag nyo, sneaker bag nyo. You can just keep it inside here together with the brushes and the microfiber towel. Speaking of the brushes, they also sent over two brushes. One is hard bristle and then the other is the soft one. So I really like this variant kasi yung before, wala yung handle and you have to clean your sneaker holding it this way, so tumatama yung kamay mo sa sapatos, and it's not very efficient pagka naglilinis ka ng sneaker, lalo na kung marami kang collection. Masakit siya sa fingers, so I really like na meron siyang hawakan this time. Same with the soft bristle. This is for more delicate materials. That is for more like leather, canvas, pwede mo siyang gamitin. And we have the microfiber towel. I like using microfiber when I'm cleaning my sneakers. It's a lot more durable, so you just use this to wipe off the excess liquid. And then next is the Suede and Nubuck care kit. Actually, this is my first time seeing it in person. Nakita ko na siya sa internet pero hindi pa ako nagkaroon in real life. So I think this is a good product to use dun sa mga Suede or Nubuck sneakers ko, but I would save that video for another time. Mag-focus muna tayo dun sa main product nila. And we have two extra items pa. We have the Leather de la Creme cleaner and conditioners. This is used on leather sneakers, siguro like yung mga Adidas All-Stars, Samba Rose din na leather. Last but not the least, I really like this one. Odor eliminator. Hindi lang siya pang sneakers but also for gloves, gym bags, sports pads, pang boxing, headgears, sa helmet and stuff. Pwede rin siya sa hats kung hindi pa ganun kadumi naman pero amoy pawis na. You can use this odor eliminator. The next thing na kailangan natin gawin ngayon is to test out the shoe cleaner and conditioner. So the first item that we need to have is a dirty sneaker. Now that we have our dirty sneaker, ang next thing na kailangan natin gawin is to prepare our workstation. Okay, so prep na yung workstation natin. The next step is for us to clean the sneaker. Yung sapatos na lilinisin natin is medyo delicate yung material nito, so I am going to use the soft bristle brush. Fabric kasi yung uppers niya, so dapat yung gagamitin na brush hindi nakaka-damage dun sa upper. Napakadaling gamitin itong brush na to kasi may handle nga katulad ng sinabi ko kanina. Let's do one more pass para sure lang talaga na malinis. So there you have it. I used the CLYDE shoe cleaner and conditioner, and as you can see, nalinis ko naman yung sapatos ko. Here is the proof. So I only cleaned the left side and then I left the right side para makita natin yung difference. Here's the clean version. Pababaan ko muna yung lights para makita nyo yung material. Ito yung nilinis natin kanina. Medyo basa pa siya, so yung other materials medyo damp pa yung color. Ito naman yung 31. Ito mo difference. Alright, so thank you again, CLYDE team, for sending that care package over. And for those of you who wants to learn more about CLYDE, maglalagay ako ng links in the description box below, so check out nyo sila. Before we end this video, I would like to use the odor eliminator. Smells nice. I like it. Bango siya. Sneaker smells brand new. Thanks, CLYDE. I really enjoyed all the products that you sent. If you like this video and may natutunan kayo, go ahead and hit that like button, subscribe to my channel, and turn on your notifications so you won't miss videos like these. This is your boy Gabe, signing out. Peace!